Hello, this is John with John Reviews It. Today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of how to install the SVS sound isolation feet. Let's get into it. So, one thing I am going to say that you are going to need up front, Phillips screwdriver. Why? Well, the screws they provide you use a Phillips head. So, a lot of SVS subwoofers come with these little feet from SVS. You just simply turn them and they start unscrewing. So you'll want to take these all off. And then revealed underneath is your thread nuts for the new feet. So what you can do is pick whichever one you want, line it up, drop your screw in there, kind of line it up, and with your screwdriver, start screwing it in. Secure there. Next one. And there you go, just like that. You now have the SVS Subwoofer Isolation feet installed on your SVS subwoofer. And from what I understand, if you've ever gone on Crutchfield and looked for these, they offer them in a 4-pack as well as a 6-pack. As far as I'm aware, I don't know how many feet are actually needed on every single subwoofer, but I would imagine 4 is probably standard. And I would probably say if you are somebody who has multiple subwoofers, obviously you'd buy multiple packs or multiple 6-packs. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Till next time, have a great day.